All right, so here's the SC400 T56 Magnum F swap coming together. Wanted to showcase a couple parts here. We've got the carbon fiber drive shaft, which is pretty neat. It's pretty cool to see how this works. This part only weighs 13.28 pounds. And this shiny bit at the end is a Collins adapter. It's called a Guibo, and it's an adapter for the 4-bolt drive shaft. You can see the 4 bolts if I spin it around, to the 3-bolt expected by my stock rear differential. So that's a 3 to 4 bolt design required for this carbon drive shaft, which I didn't know about, but we took care of it. So you can see how it mates to the back of the Tremec. Working on the wiring now for the BTI Bluetooth module, so I can do speedometer calibration. Getting close, the pedals are all connected, the hydraulics are all plumbed. This drive shaft was actually a serious problem for us, but now it's connected and in theory, good to go. Just wanted to share that, this last update, probably before we get the car into a test fire situation. I've got a really sketchy custom exhaust for the car, but it's a straight through design with an X pipe, and so it will be making some good volume, I hope. Need some new gaskets for these downpipes, so we're getting those procured right now, but it's getting closer. It's fun to see it come together. This is not an easy project. In case any DIYers are out there, I will provide my feedback to Grannis about where things didn't go quite right. But if you want to buy one of these, you better be at a high level of competency at this point to pull it off. It's not a simple swap. That being said, it could be pretty amazing, so let's reserve judgment for actually driving it. All right, thanks for following along. Take care, everybody. Signing out.